आओ लाइन से बैठो यहाँ. Come on, come forward in the row. Now, students, good evening. Now we are going to take one more activities. It's very interesting and very cheerful for us, because if you all take part of in these activities, so it's very beneficial to all, because it's a very interesting activities. Here is the bag of some flashcards, and when we will make two group of the students. One group is depend on girl and second one is depend on boys. Understand, students? Yes. Now, here is some flashcards in my hand. Now I am showing to you this flashcard. I am distributing it to one by one. So keep it one flashcard in your hand. Don't give the flashcard to other one. Understand? Yes. Stop. I also give the information to you about these activities. These activities relation to rhyming words. This activities relation to rhyming words. It is depend on not only word but also on the picture. Here are few pictures in my hand. You have to join table beside of that picture. You have to join their label. Is that clear, students?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, समझ में आ रहा है आपके?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, students, now we are joining the picture, rhyming picture to each other, just like that. Now here is a girl. It's an example for us. Here is ball, and we connect it from the doll. It's a complete one rhyming word. So in this way we are doing like that to all students. We are doing it properly, one by one. So don't make noise. Stand in your place. दिखाओ सब अपना. तू भी खड़े रह लेके थे. अब बॉल और वो हो गया, रख दो वहां पर बॉल और वो. हाँ चलो. उसके बाद कैंडल और सैंडल हो गया. उसके बाद में आ जाओ आई और टाई. दिखाओ आई एंड टाई. रखो. हाउस एंड माउस, कम फॉरवर्ड and join your and match your picture. Now come soap or rope. Soap and rope, come forward. Soap and rope. Soap and rope रखो यहाँ पर बेटा, लगाओ ना. हाँ चलो. सोप वाले. हाँ माउस और हाउस वाले आओ. दिखाओ माउस. माउस बोलो मुंह से. हाउस. हाँ गुड. अब शो मी योर कार्ड्स. हाँ Moon and spoon. Come forward. Show me your card. With which picture is on that card? Show me moon. It's a moon. Join it with the spoon. Come on. Come forward. Match it. Bat. Join with cat. These two pictures are here. One is cat and the rhyming word is bat. Now, bell. Bell, yes. You come and you join bell. Shell. Who have the shell card? Yes, you. Now, show me your card. Deer, cake, table, snake, pen, hand. Hand और band. Band किसके पास है? Band. Hence, we are taking these kinds of practice to the students to prepare their mindset to take how to take our students in learning interest, how to take interest in learning to our students. So this is the very beneficial supplemental teaching aids in front of us by the kit box. So thank you.